Emma and Jake meet for the first time at a networking event. Jake: Hi, my name is Jake. It's nice to meet you. Emma: Hi, Jake. I'm Emma. Nice to meet you too. Jake: So what do you do, Emma? Emma: I'm a graphic designer. I create logos and branding for companies. How about you? Jake: That sounds interesting. I'm a software engineer. I work on developing mobile applications. Emma: Wow, that's cool. How long have you been doing that? Jake: I've been working in this field for about 5 years now. And you? Emma: I started my career 3 years ago, and I absolutely love it. Jake: That's great. By the way, where are you from? Emma: I'm from Toronto, Canada. What about you? Jake: I'm from New York City. Are you visiting or do you live here? Emma: I moved here last year for work. I love the city so far. Jake: That's awesome. Do you have any hobbies? Emma: Yes, I enjoy painting and hiking in my free time. What about you? Jake: I love playing guitar and going to the gym. Emma: That's nice. Well, it was great meeting you, Jake. Jake: Likewise, Emma. Let's stay in touch. Common questions and answers for introducing yourself. What's your name? My name is Anna. I'm Anna. Where are you from? I'm from London. Lesh, I live in Paris. What do you do? I'm a teacher. Lesh, I work as an accountant. How long have you been here? I moved here 2 years ago. What are your hobbies? I enjoy reading and traveling. Introducing yourself confidently in English opens doors to new opportunities. Whether it's for a job interview, a social gathering, or making new friends, learning how to introduce yourself properly helps you connect with people and boost your confidence.